So that this too is something that you can do for yourself whenever you wish. Simply settling yourself into a comfortable position with your eyes closed, and simply imagining yourself breathing in as if through your fingers, and imagining that flow of air comforting and relaxing every part of your body. And then breathing that air out through your feet now. So that each time you breathe out, you just say to yourself, relax now. 1. Just saying 2. Yourself, relax now. Relax now. Relax now. For you are 3. And with each one breath, blue, you breathe, you will find that this too will act as a trigger to your unconscious mind. So that when you feel free, you say it, blue, bliss. And then the 4th time, you listen to me, always, with your unconscious mind. Blue. And then again, this voice, your voice, my voice, going with you, blue, bliss. And then each subsequent time you shall find yourself and find your voice in repeating and hearing the word blue. And relax now, blue. So that now you'll find yourself to be more and more relaxed than you've ever been before, and more relaxed than you could ever wish for even, and then more relaxed still, more relaxed than you could ever have dreamed were possible, more and more relaxed than you could ever have dreamed even. While dreaming a dream, once in a while mindful of your breath, of look, listen, while the owls calling out to you, our soul, your soul, my soul, to climb now a ladder up to the milky, breathless beauty of the beautiful blue, blue moon, and the moon floating dreamily in the night sky, and your thoughts floating dreamily, beautifully drifting by like dreams, bright stars shining bright, and whole oceans and seas ebbing and flowing, winds blowing, trees swaying, humming, whispering, murmuring, chanting, singing and dreaming a dream of the telling of a tale and a story that serves you always, of a poem, a parable, a fable, a saga, a song, and a going on and on now into myth, into legend, into dream, so that now dreaming a dream of once in a while that is woven from sights then seen and sounds so beautifully, like a story threaded together in silk, and opening up then before you like a path, this dream, and what a dream it is, of something as extraordinary and as magnificent as your very own path, paved in gold, or as something so delicate, beautiful, magnificent, wonderful, as a thread of silky silence, a breath of air, and an inspiration, no more, a gentle sigh of story, so that you find yourself asking, can I walk this path? As if it were not now made of gold, so much as rice paper, and leaving there no impression, no footprint. For this surely is the lightness, sensitivity, acuity, intelligence, respect, and love that is asked of me now. For my path shall be woven finely as if from silk, and myself like a feather or a gesture, a beau geste, a movement, a step, floating as if just above it or across it, my path, and each step at once firm and subtle, falling softly, gently down, and stepping out upon the clouds, and walking as if behind the sky, as in a dream upon a path opening up more and more clearly with each step taken, of pure woven silk, and that path becoming now as if the silk road itself, and as if a path simply opens up now across the river from the Taj Mahal, and the sun at dawn, and my inner eye open at last to crossing countries and continents, and moving always, and always moving on, always travelling, in a restlessness that surely has its roots in some insatiable curiosity, some searching intelligence, some soulful longing, and then openness in shared story, shared history, and as it were a collective history of remembering, so that this then is you, wanderer, vagabond, traveller, troubadour, musician, philosopher, dreamer, poet, lover, storyteller, writer, all these things, and so much more. And a person too, of course, needing sometimes rest, and from rest to drift into a slumber deep, and from there to sleep, and in sleep perchance to dream, for you, my friend, are a dreamer of such splendid and wonderful dreams, magnificent as now, such that, trusting your dream, again you cross India, a young spirit guide for your company, and your child holding your hand, chanting softly a mantra to India, and to the land of your dreaming childhood, to jade monkeys, to ivory miniatures, to indigo blue incense, bathing sanctuaries of the soul, and walking on then, 8 miles more or less, and then again and again across the Himalaya, and again until a mountain pass that is Nepal, Tibet, Mongolia, and to the sights and sounds, the winds and bamboos, as if a game, mahjong, sipping tea with friends of China, and a seeming vast, infinite, internal, and almost but not quite going on and going on, then going on. For you know full well, my friend, that a seasoned traveller has no fixed plans, and effortlessly letting go in that free floating space, forgetting almost where you are, who you are, as listening to this voice, your voice, my voice, and opening your eyes, opening your mind, like a game of Go, to Sakura and the cherry blossom, so exquisitely beautiful, of Japan in spring, and to the sound of the shakuhachi, and to the murmuring of the mountain stream, and to life and change, and a gentle breeze blowing through your hair, and the wind in the pines, and the temple bell ringing in the empty sky.